It all begins with fire, the heart of every gathering, every story, every meal. We took on the challenge to reimagine that fire, to craft something remarkable. Meet ODUN, the most unique wood-fired outdoor stove ever designed, made to bring warmth, flavor, and connection wherever you are. ODUN is designed to bring coziness. Just carry, unpack, and ignite the adventure. This isn't just a stove, it's an experience crafted to redefine the outdoors. Compact, durable, yet lightweight, designed to save space without compromising on practicality. Multifunctional in every way, from grilling to boiling, baking to simmering. One stove, countless possibilities. Next-level design, built for the wild. Made from stainless steel and composite alloys with a durable, heat-resistant coating. 3 glass sides for a full view. Watch the flame, control the warmth. Precision welded into a seamless monoblock body. No bolts, no weak points. Its dual-layered, curved form resists flame corrosion and stands firm against extreme heat. Wherever the trail leads, ODUN goes with you, protected in its custom-fit carry case. Take it anywhere with ease. Set up in seconds. Just unfold, it opens up like a camp chair. Perfectly at home on the beach, in your garden, or in a cozy tent. Your ideal companion for every outdoor adventure. A taste of authentic wood-fired pizza that bakes in just 90 seconds. Pizza stone, perfectly balanced for that Neapolitan crisp. Versatile cooking, anytime, anywhere. Grill, fry, boil, simmer, flame roast, bake, and smoke. Precision-crafted hot plate, cast iron grill, expanded heating area built for masterful cooking. From breakfast to dinner, ODUN's wood-burning magic keeps your options open and your cooking creative. More than just a stove, an outdoor fireplace, a warming station, a versatile cooking. With ODUN, every meal is a masterpiece. Precision airflow control. Dual-stage vents deliver cleaner combustion and better heat control with less smoke and efficiency. Dual-layered construction with integrated air channels designed for rapid heating and resilience. Engineered for balance. A burn chamber designed to optimize heat flow and accelerate cooking with secondary combustion. Air wash system prevents soot buildup so you can enjoy the view of flames. A deep chamber designed for longer burns and cleaner heat. More room for wood, more power in every flame. Stay in command with a built-in thermometer. Quick ignition, thanks to a cleverly placed ignition hole, is ready to go in seconds. Modular handle. It opens the firebox, pizza chamber, removes the ash pan, and even locks the rear water bottles in place. One handle, endless control. Removable ashtray that slides out cleanly from beneath the stove. Easy to empty, effortless to replace. Available in 2 sizes, compact version and extended size, perfectly tailored for your space.
Hi everyone, we are INVENTIONS, a team of 6 passionate engineers united by a love for outdoor adventures and the thrill of outdoor cooking. We started creating ODUN with the desire to solve the common challenges we faced. We believe that every moment spent in nature should be comfortable and enjoyable as possible. That's why ODUN is designed to be user-friendly, portable, and multifunctional.
Support our campaign today and bring ODUN to life. Make it your trusted companion for your next adventure. Together, we can make this reality. Ready to fuel your outdoor experiences with fire, warmth, and delicious meals. Create unforgettable memories. ODUN by INVENTIONS, the ultimate all-in-one outdoor stove.